People? No, no, not sure about it. I'm still waiting for. Okay, number one there, guys, remember for these formulas, and all I wanted you to do was to find the formula, right? For those of you that maybe struggle with this, first you identify what number you're adding or subtracting every time, and that you multiply by 8, right? Yeah, then you would. So 4 times 1, right? First time, remember, our input value is 1. Alright, so what's 4 times 1? So 1, 4. What does I add to 4 to get 10? 6. Alright, so that's where that plus 6 comes from. Then you have to double check that it works for the others as well. 1 or 2 of the others. So what is 4 times 2, guys? 4 times 2 is 8, plus 6 is 14. Okay, so it does work. For the next one, sorry, those 8s are drawn quite written quite small, but that's a negative 8 for all of them. So you're going to say negative 8n. And then, guys, what would you add to negative 8 get to 34? 42, right? That was my idea, but I think I can see. Yeah, these numbers are quite big in the number 3 and number 5 as well. For the next one, you have minus 6 every time, so minus 6n. And then if you have negative 6 times 1, that's negative 6. Then you must still add 23 to it to get to it. But like I said the other day, 2 marks, right? A mark for your constant difference times n, you'll get 1 mark for that. And then a mark for the number that you must add or subtract from. Same thing here. 1, 2. So if you really can't figure out what this number must be, say it's like working with negatives and you get a bit confused, you can still get 1 out of 2. Okay, and this will never change, guys. It's always going to be the number that you're adding or subtracting times n. Okay. For all the others, same thing. Do you guys have any questions on any of those other 3? Well, other 2, I suppose. Okay, guys, we are not doing anything new today. I just want to, I'm not sure if you guys will have space where we were working the other day, where we did our flow diagram. You maybe have space next to the flow diagram or underneath somewhere, a little bit of space. Remember, I said to you guys the reason why we want a formula is so that I can find my term 100, the 100th number in the passage without having to add, what was it, 600 times. Okay, so I just want to show you how you can do that. So if you can just add underneath or next to it, wherever you have some space, if they are asking for a 100th number in that number pattern, 100th term, that's how you would write this term 100. Now, what do you guys think? What am I going to do with that formula to find the 100th term? Minus 4. Right? What is this? What is this number over here? It's n. Right? You see that? So now I'm looking for term 100. N has to be 100. So I'm going to calculate it like this. I'm going to say 6 times 100, because that's what 6n means. 6 times n. And then minus 4. Not 6 times 100. 600, right? Minus 4 is 596. Guys, look how quick that is. Instead of adding 600 times, right? You can get your formula or your rule and then use that to calculate what the term is. Let's do the same thing for term 250. What is my in value now? My input value is if it's the 250th term, then my input value is 250, right? So I'm going to say 6 times 250 minus 4. Right? Just use that formula and whatever term number they ask you to find, that becomes n. What is 6 times 250? 1,500, eh? 4 times 250 is 1,000. We're all fine with that. Then you must still do 2 times 250, which is 500. So 1,500 minus 4 is 1,490. Okay, I just wanted us to add that because I did mention it the other day, but then I didn't show you how it actually. All right, guys, I'm going to give you some more questions to work on today. I don't know if maybe you're going to finish the work before the lesson is done, and then you can possibly work on your section. Okay. Your project, I'm not sure if you guys have looked at that yet. I think the same day is going to be normal. They didn't tell us to let you guys know early today. Yeah. Monday. They can be with you on Monday. Okay, I'm going to give you guys kind of like a spread from different exercises because each exercise is quite short and it only focuses on one specific thing. So I would like you to do the following. You have done 4.5, hey? Exercise, sorry about that. Exercise 4.4, just a few of those. The last one. And this is just going to be one question from the revision exercise, just number 7. I can put exercise 4.4 on the board for you guys, but obviously the other exercises are on different pages. So guys, it's great if you have your textbook here. If not, you might have to share it with someone or just make a plan to take pictures of these questions. So I will give you 3 minutes to sort yourselves out. Please. Make sure that you've all written that down so I can put exercise 4.4 on the board. So guys, you see that these questions are asked in a different way from the questions that you did for homework, but they still have to do with number patterns, input and output values, rules. Okay, so see if you can figure out. We might have done something actually that's similar to exercise 4.4. All right, sorry, let me take this off. There are the 3 questions that we need to do for exercise 4.4. So guys, they've given you the rules now, right? There's the rule. The first one, y is negative 2x minus 8. What's wrong? Yeah, you might have done, yeah, you did some of the work with it. It's not the same. Right? You see, it has to do with input values, guys. They give the input values in that top row, right? That's the x value. They're not calling it input values, but that's what those values are. They want you to find y if you calculate y using those, well, that formula. Okay, the next one is also y, and then the third one is e. Okay, so you need to fill in that table by using the input values to get the output values. If you can do that, that's the first exercise that you have to do those 3 things. Yeah. Try x equals negative 1, y equals 1. Yeah, you don't want to do it.